Welcome back to Crazy Dave's Crew. I'm Laura and you are watching a Simply Earth box opening. Well, I got to looking at the tag and I'm not seeing a date, so this will be a surprise for all of us. I am so looking forward to getting caught up on all my boxes and getting the projects going, getting them all opened. But in the meantime, let's just have fun looking at all the little gifties. This is an independent business owner. And the return address is from Franklin Park, Illinois. And as always, they say 13% of their profits will go towards ending human trafficking. I can't imagine something that horrible. And I have no clues as to what this could be. Let's take a look. Alright, we have got a floating candle wick. I think we're going to be doing candles. What do you think? We have a wick holder. A DIY candle kit. Oh, that's cool. Microwave open bag upright and a microwave saved it. That's cool. So it's all in one. You don't have to worry about your bowls or anything else. We have some beeswax sheets and it looks like some wicks. Let's see. Simply Earth candles, 0 to hero, and again, hero. Oh. And then they have another QR code for DIY candle kits. This is, they're showing the DIY Blessings candle kit. Let's see. I'm not finding a date on anything. And we have all of our little stickers to put on our bottles or our finished product. Bergamot. And timber, cassia, and citronella. And we have our recipe cards. I like it when they give the cards because then I can just put them in my little book and they're there for me to look at. Cozy Nook candle. You do need to buy a candle vessel. Everything else is included in your box. Oh, you're going to need a cotton ball and a candle holder for this one. And that is the Honeyed Haven candles. Sunset Trail diffuser blend. You're going to need a diffuser. Again, don't forget to check out the back. Timber and Citrus Bliss wax melts. I like wax melts. Awesome. Everything's included, obviously, except for your wax melter. A note from Katie. A French Escape roll-on. Remember, we got a bunch of roll-ons in our big bonus box, so we should be good. And Patio Breeze Citronella candle. You're going to need a wide mouth glass jar and some decorations if you so desire. Alright, very intriguing. So all of these, we can get going and get started. Should be fun. Still don't know what month it was, but that doesn't matter. I opened it today. I'll work on the projects this next week. Still works. Still good. Be sure to check out the link down in the description. And if you choose to order, please use my link. But check them out, see what they offer. I think the website's very easy to maneuver through. But just about everything that you're going to need, you can order through them and just have it added on to your next month's shipment with no extra shipping fees. That's really cool. But I see some fun days ahead. Lots of fun. Please be sure to subscribe. Click that little bell so you're notified when we put up new videos, which my goal is you're going to be getting notified a lot. We're having way too much fun right now. And be sure to like and to share, comment. What do you think? Most importantly, be sure to come back. And don't forget to check out the other channel, which is more about common sense and homesteading-esque type thing. Check out my husband's new series, My 3 Cents. Most importantly, don't forget to come back, because I will be right here at Crazy Dave's Crew. Hope to see you next time. Have a great day. And thank you for watching. Bye.